What's up, guys? Just do a little update on this Firebird project. I got the 455 installed. I was going to run the 350 for a while, but did a compression test on it, had a dead cylinder, and it's a tired old engine, man. It's sitting right over there. It's, it needs freshened up. It's got a decent set of heads on it, though, for the year model. Anyway, got the 455 in there. I left the turbo 350 in it for now. She won't be raunching on it or nothing. I think it'll live for a little bit. I have a couple other transmissions over there. I've got a Muncie M21, and then I have a MP 440, which came in the mid 80s, early to mid 80s Chevrolet and GMC pickups. It's the same thing as a Chrysler 4-speed, but they put an overdrive in it. So it's actually 3 forward gears, third gear being 1-to-1, fourth gear is overdriven by 0.70. So, and it has the same bolt pattern as the Muncie's and all that. So, we'll see how this Turbo 350 does. It needs an overdrive though. Maybe if she likes the automatic, we might search for a 200 4R or 700 R4. I don't know. But got it in there. I set my headers down in there before I dropped the engine in. It's a 1972 455 HO. It's got TRW L2394 pistons in it. It's got a nice cam, comp cams, and I'm going to try to leave the torquer intake on it. I'm going to start it with the 850 there. It runs real good with that carburetor. But I have a 2-inch spacer plate underneath it, and I have that ram air hood, so I got concerns about, being too tall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 2-inch spacer plate off, and I'm going to put a quadrajet on it, a 750 CFM quadrajet, and give it a try and see. I may have to run a low profile air filter. I don't know, but I'll be starting it up tomorrow. Just trying to get everything put together today. I don't know if I showed you guys my bumper. That's what my bumper looks like now. It's 900% better than it was. I think it turned out nice, man. It's going to be okay. I was worried about it to start with, but it's going to be all right. My patch panels, not actually finished yet. But there's the forward patch panel right there. Looks pretty good. I got my door gap okay. These cars weren't known for fitment anyway. And then the rear quarter back here, I guess you guys can see that. I did some work on it. I still got to do a few things right here. I'm going to take this bumper cover off anyway. And I have another one over there off a later model car. I may try to use it. I've got taillight assemblies and everything for a 1980 turbo Trans Am, and they had lights that went all the way across. I don't know though. I kind of want to keep this period correct. It's going to be a Frankenstein car, so but it still ought to be cool. It's what she wants, and you got to keep mama happy. If mama ain't happy, nobody's happy. So she's going to be tooling around in this. The Corvette's doing great. I've been driving it every day. My truck's out of gas. We haven't been able to get gas here in North Carolina. It's been real tight. And it's doing great. It's running great. Everything's good on it. Have no trouble with it. It gets 24 and a half miles per gallon, which is not bad for what it is. But it's in there, so I'm gonna make a short video tomorrow firing it up and getting her ready to go. So anyhow, just updating you guys. All right, bye.